Every problem has a solution, for accounts for every role at school. Now let's start with the admin account. No digging around. The dashboard shows you everything you need. Want more details? Just click. Not just numbers, you get the trends too. Pending tasks, attendance warnings, all in one place. On the left is the announcement board. All school announcements are gathered right here. On the right is the school calendar. The daily schedule is clear at a glance. Every piece of data comes with a detailed report. The most commonly used reports, ready to generate with one click. Class management allows you to handle class details and scheduling together. The system automatically checks for scheduling conflicts. Same teacher, same room, same time. If there's a clash, a red warning appears immediately. In the student module, you'll find comprehensive student data. From basic details to attendance, contacts, medical records, and documents. You can also view other records and academic performance. Academic records and report cards track every detail of a student's progress. The teacher module stores detailed teacher profiles. From personal information to qualifications, everything is organized for easy management. Go ahead and say hi to parents and coworkers. It's so easy with messaging. Course management includes everything you need to manage courses. Beyond basic course information, you can also customize the grade composition ratio. With admission management, you can create your own application forms. Share the link with applicants and view all submissions. Leave management handles all staff and student leave requests. Request management handles and manages requests for students, teachers, assets, teaching materials, and other types. You can also create and edit request forms. Booking equipment. View and send notifications. And there's more. Contact Directory helps you connect quickly. Data Import lets you import and export data. Payments shows payment status. And School Config handles system settings. For students, logging in gives them their own personalized dashboard. The schedule is clear at a glance. Send messages to others. View course information. Check assignments and submission status. Students can submit leave requests and other applications online. View notifications clearly. The parent dashboard is similar to the student dashboard. However, the assignment function is different for parents and students. Parents also have a payment function. Teachers also have their own dashboard. With the attendance feature, teachers can take attendance quickly. The assignments feature lets teachers create assignments and view student submissions.